What's up guys? For today's video we're going to put to the test GoSun solar stove. It's super sunny today, I don't see any clouds, so it's a perfect video to put to the test a gadget like that. This thing costs about $280 and they go even more expensive, depends who you buy it from. Anyways, let's open it up and try to cook shish kebab or whatever and see how fast we can cook it and how good it's going to taste. It's actually pretty lightweight. That's it. Looks like everything else is just foam pods. Boom, check this out. Looks like we have another foam piece inside here. Wow, that looks so cool. They don't even have to assemble it. Kinda awkward to unscrew the handle, but I guess that's how you store it. There you go. You take the handle out and screw it on this side. I guess this is a cleaning device. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to take it off whenever I don't want to clean it. Let's try to take it off. There you go. Will it fit all the way now? Let's find out. Yep, now it fits. So this is more like a cleaning piece. So now there's a film actually. When you get it, you'll have to remove it. Folds like that when you want to transport it and carry it. It's pretty lightweight. And then you can open this up and open all the way. Depends where the sun is, and point it at the sun. So sun is this way. There you go. Okay guys, let's open it up and load it up with food. Got this tray and I got here shish kebab, whatever you wanna call this. Oh, I hope it's big enough. We can squeeze it in, I guess. So I have few pieces of meat and vegetables. Okay, let's slide it in and see what happens. Yeah, it slides in pretty well. Maybe a little bit right here needs just a tiny little bit of a help at the end. But as you can see, no problem. Everything fit. Boom. Now I'm gonna line it up on the sun and leave it here for a while and come back to it. Boom. Sun is right there. That's how it's going to sit right here. Perfect. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes, time to check on it. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, I see steam. 160, 140, 160. That smells so good. This is so awesome. Wow, look at that. It's almost done in just 20 minutes. Look at that, 150 and see a lot of steam. Looks nice, nice and steamy. We're gonna run it for a little bit longer, maybe 10 more minutes. And on the outside, check this out. This is 50 degrees. It's not even hot. Let me touch it. Wow, it's actually cold. It feels cold over here, so I'm not gonna burn myself. It's only hot on the inside. Okay, let's pull it out and see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it's steaming so much. Looks good now. Pull this out, get my plates and take them all out. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Oh yeah, Luke and Hugo can smell it. Oh yeah, looks super nice. About 30 minutes and it's all done. Okay guys, taste test. That's so good. Wow, look at the meat, fully cooked. Ooh. Wow, this is delicious. A little bit of a steak sauce, gonna make it even better. You know what, definitely easy way to cook it. All I did is put it in, left it alone for 30 minutes and set it to go without fire. I even left to the house because I didn't have to worry about setting anything on fire. It just stays there for 30 minutes. Check on it once in a while, depends on the sun, could be cooking longer, faster, so you will need to rotate it sometimes with the sun. But yeah, definitely a huge thumbs up for me. All I have to do, just wash it off, use this sponge, and looks like you can make new sponge by just opening this bowl, put another sponge, cut it out into a circle, so no big deal. I like that a lot, that you can replace those sponges. Very lightweight, I love how it's closing. like this, so I can carry it anywhere, open it, cook, close it, put it away. Awesome. Honestly, next time I'm going camping, I'm probably gonna bring this with me. But anyways, let me know in comments below, what do you think about this GoSun solar cooker stove? Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. We were just talking about how we want to go out and do this again somewhere in the woods by the waterfall, yeah? That'll be fun.
Oh wow, look at how tender that is.
So easy to bite it off, isn't it?
So good.
And I'm not even a good cook. This thing makes it so easy. I killed mine, look. So easy to bite off a piece of meat. It's like a slow cooker. Except,
no, it cooks really fast.
But it cooks it like a slow cooker.
I think it was done like 15 minutes ago if you want it medium. But this is so juicy. Look, it's well done, but it's so juicy. It's not tough.
That's what I'm saying. Cooks in its own like moisture and juice.
You're actually right about that. And that way it is kind of like a slow cooker.
That's what they were saying in the advertisement. Delicious. I wish I had more. You know what? Next time we're camping out or grilling out here, I mean, I'm pulling this thing out.
I know, you know, I'm going to. I'm going to be like, haha, my food's already ready.
Yeah, compared to all this, people have to start up the grill, flip burgers around. But the only problem though, if there's no sun, that I fail.
You can't put a burger, but you can put a hot dog.
No, you can. You just cut them in strips.
Burgers don't taste good like that.
Oh yeah, burgers. I mean like steaks.
Hot dogs you can.
Oh yeah, hot dogs will cook even faster. Probably like 15 minutes.
Big fat Italian like sausage or bratwurst or something.
Okay, new channel. Cooking with the solar stoves.